Good morning students, welcome to my channel Digital Journal. Here is a question from biology. Number of vultures are decreasing remarkably nowadays. It is a matter of concern. Yes, it is a matter of concern, and we will learn how and why it is a matter of concern as the number of vultures are decreasing very remarkably. Answer the following questions relating to the statement given above. Now the first question is, vultures belong to which category of animals? Vultures are scavengers. They feed on dead and decaying remains of animals. So they are placed among the scavenger category. Number 2. What is their role in nature to maintain ecological balance? Vultures play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of nature because vultures feed on dead and decaying animals and thus keep the environment clean. Thus, vultures are very effective in removing pathogens and toxins from the environment. So, vultures are considered as the heroes of the ecosystem. Next question. At which trophic level will you place vulture in the food chain? As vultures feed on dead and decaying animals, so vultures must be placed at the uppermost or top of the trophic level as top carnivores. Vultures are top carnivores, which is considered as a tertiary consumer in a trophic level. So at the topmost level of the food chain, we can find vultures because they are the top carnivores. Next question. Give one important characteristic of food chain. Food chain can be better expressed by a sequence of eaters and being eaten. The most important characteristic point of food chain is that the flow of energy which takes place from one trophic level to the next trophic level is unidirectional. That means the energy can flow only in one direction. That is, the energy flows from producer level to consumer level, and in this way the energy flows goes on, but it never comes back. So the energy flow, here we can place producer. Producers are the green plants. Then here comes consumer or primary consumers, which are herbivores like rat, rabbit. Then comes secondary consumer, and secondary consumers are carnivore or primary carnivores like snake. And then comes tertiary consumer. Tertiary consumers are vultures. And these arrow states that the flow of energy takes place in only one direction, that is from producer level to consumer level, and not backflow of energy takes place in food chain. Next question. How much energy is passed on at each trophic level? Only a small amount of energy is passed on from one trophic level to next trophic level. About 10% of energy is passed on from one trophic level to next trophic level. That is, producer can pass only 10% of energy to primary consumer. Primary consumer will pass 10% of energy to secondary consumer, and secondary consumer will pass 10% of energy to tertiary consumer. So only a little amount of energy is transferred, and this is known as 10% law, because only 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to next trophic level. Give the energy flow diagram in this ecosystem. What type of ecosystem is this? This ecosystem is of grassland ecosystem. We will draw the diagram of the ecosystem. We will place here sunlight. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy of all ecosystem. So here sunlight. Then comes producers. Producers are green plants. Green plants are known as producers because they perform photosynthesis and can manufacture their own food. After producers comes primary consumer or herbivore like rat, rabbit, etc. Next comes secondary consumer. Secondary consumer or primary carnivore. These secondary consumers are carnivores like snake. They are the primary carnivore. Next comes tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers are the last consumers. After that, the food chain is destroyed. This tertiary consumer consists of top carnivores like vultures here. So we can see that sunlight is the ultimate source of all ecosystem in food chain. So sunlight is placed here. This is grassland ecosystem. Next come primary consumers, which are herbivores like rat and rabbit. Next come secondary consumers, or we can say primary carnivore like snake. And then comes tertiary consumers or top carnivores like vultures. This is the trophic level of this ecosystem. Why the trophic level is pyramid in shape? We can see from here that the trophic level is pyramid in shape. This is because only small amount of energy is passed from this level to upper level, and thus as the amount of energy decreases as we go upward, so the number of individuals also decreases as we go upward. So the number of individuals present at producer level is much more than the number of individuals present at tertiary consumer level. So as the number of individual as well as the amount of energy flow decreases as we move upward at each trophic level, thus it becomes pyramid in shape. So food chains are pyramid in shape. And this is the reason why the number of vultures are decreasing remarkably, and it is really a matter of concern because vultures cleanse our environment. Thank you for watching my video, and if you find my video useful, please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update of my videos. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic, comment below. I will try to answer as early as possible.